Hello everyone. We present the DJI Osmo Action 4K Action Cam. Awaken your adventurous side. DJI Osmo Action, the camera that captures your adrenaline. Are you passionate about action? Do you love living on the edge and capturing every moment of your adventures? Stop searching and discover the DJI Osmo Action. Imagine. Explore the depths of the sea and record vibrant images of colorful fish and coral reefs. Plunge down a snowy mountain and capture the thrill of the descent in first person. Ride a bike trail and share the adrenaline, the road with your friends. The DJI Osmo Action allows you to record 4K videos with sharpness and fluidity that will take your breath away. Capture 1:2 MP photos that will remind you of every detail of your adventures. Submerge up to 11 meters without the need for an additional housing. Resist shocks, dust and extreme temperatures. Share your experiences instantly with your friends and followers. Are you worried about image quality? Forget that. The Osmo Action features a 2.3-inch CMOS sensor and a 145 wide-angle lens that allows you to capture stunning images in any situation. Are you afraid of missing out on amazing moments? Don't worry. The Osmo Action has two touch screens, one front and one rear, so you can frame your shots perfectly. Do you want an easy-to-use camera? The Osmo Action is the solution. Its intuitive design allows you to start recording with the touch of a button. Limited time offer. Don't miss the opportunity to purchase the DJI Osmo Action with an irresistible discount. Reserve yours now. What are you waiting for to live your adventures to the fullest? Start creating content that makes you vibrate. Limited units. Do not miss yours. More than 10,000 adventurers like you already use it and recommend it. The DJI Osmo Action is the best action camera I've ever owned. It's rugged, easy to use, and captures incredible images. Pedro, professional climber. It's the perfect camera for travel and extreme sports. I love being able to share my adventures instantly with my friends. Maria, travel YouTuber. Thanks to the DJI Osmo Action, I have been able to take my content to another level. I am very satisfied with this camera. 1. Extreme sports influencer. Don't miss this unique opportunity. DJI Osmo Action, your perfect ally to capture the excitement of your adventures. What are you waiting for to awaken your adventurous side?
Please subscribe to the channel, like it, and press the bell.